some USB cameras come with a new feature called H.264 streaming. So this video just to test some those features to see is there any big difference in terms of usage on the CPU and GPU, the memory. So right now H.264 stream is on, so it's on small screen right now. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, so it's just a preset position changing. Okay, anyway, I make it bigger to see the CPU usage. Is there any big difference? Seems GPU usage going up by 19, 20 around, but the CPU usage seems to stay as it is. Okay, so let's make it smaller. Okay, we can see once the picture is smaller, GPU usage go down quite a bit. CPU, I assume it's not big difference. Okay, now my next test will be disable this, so this camera Cam520 will restart. Okay, it's back online now, and it takes about 15 seconds. Okay, so let's check the CPU usage. Now H.264 streaming is off, so you can see CPU got 32, 37 around. Okay, so now I'm going to, seems it stay about 35. Okay, make it bigger. Okay, so it is going up a little bit. CPU, not too much, but 5%. So the CPU, GPU got 20%, quite similar to the previous setting with H.264. Okay. So it's just a quick demo. So what do you think?